Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise 3.1 chapter 3 understanding quadrilateral. Question number 7 is having two parts. Part A says find x plus y plus z. This is what they want. And if you look to the figure, you can see x exterior angle, y is also exterior angle, and z is also exterior angle. And if you look carefully to the figure, each of these angles, these two angles and these two angles are linear pair angles because they are standing on a line. They are also standing on a line. They are also standing on a line, right? So we can find out z as 180 minus 30, 150. X is 90 minus 180, 90. But y we can't find. And for finding y, what we will do? If you look properly, this is one triangle. So let me give it a name, A, B, C. We will write, let the triangle in the given figure be ABC. And you know very well that angle sum property of a triangle is 180 degree. So therefore, can I write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, because angle sum property of a triangle. Therefore, angle A is 90 degree, B is 30 degree, and C we want to find. So we will keep C as it is. Therefore, angle C plus 120 is equal to 180 degree, and therefore angle C is equal to 180 degree minus 20 degree is equal to 60 degree. Now we can carry out the calculation by linear pair angle, and we will get the answer x plus y plus z. So we will write now (30 degree plus z is equal to 180 degree, and 60 degree plus angle C, that is y, is equal to 180 degree, and x plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? We will write reason also, because linear pair angles. Therefore, z we will get 180 degree minus 30 degree is equal to 150 degree, and y is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 120 degree, and x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. Now we got three angles, 3 x, y, z we know. So therefore we will write x plus y plus z is equal to 90 plus 120 plus 150 degree is equal to 270. 270 plus 30 from here will give me 300 plus 60 is equal to 360 degree. X plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree. There is another way also to solve this question, and that is the property of exterior angles of the polygon, which you will study in exercise 3.2. There is one property for polygon this is not the question. Property for polygon, that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. This is one of the property of polygon. Now sum of exterior of polygon, let us see exterior angle 1, 2 and 3. So can I write x plus y plus z is equal to 360 degree, right? But we can't solve this question here. We will solve for exercise 3.2. Here we know only the linear pair, that's why we have solved with linear pair. Now moving to part B, but first let me draw the part B. So this is the figure for part B. It is almost same as in the textbook. As I am not good at drawing, so I have drawn like this. Now again they want what from us? X plus y plus z plus w. And if you look to the figure, x, here it is x plus y plus z plus w, all are exterior angles. And as I have told at the ending of the previous part, we can also write the angle sum property of exterior angles, that is sum of all the angles of the sum of the exterior angles of polygon is equal to 360 degree. But we are not going to solve that way because it is for exercise 3.2. Here we will solve by linear pair only. Here by linear pair we can get here also and here also, but here we can't get. But we know that this figure is a quadrilateral, so we can write here the given figure is a quadrilateral. Therefore sum of all its angle is equal to 360 degree. We will put each one and we will get this angle, right? So we will write angle 1 plus 120 plus 80 plus 60 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore angle 1 plus 120 plus 80 is 200 plus 60 260 is equal to 360 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 360 degree minus 260 degree, so your answer will be 100 degree. Now by linear pair angle property, angle 1 plus angle w is equal to 180. Same way x plus 120 is equal to 180, y plus 80 is equal to 180, and z plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. So we will get w is equal to 1 is 100, so 180 minus 100, therefore w is equal to 80 degree. Same way x is equal to 180 minus 120, therefore x is equal to 60 degree, and y is equal to 180 minus 80, therefore y is equal to 100, and z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, therefore z is equal to 100. Let me check again. 180 minus 100 is 80. 180 minus 20 is 60. 180 minus 80 is 100. Z is equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. Here I have made one mistake. Now x plus y plus z plus w is equal to x is what? 60 degree plus y is 100 plus z is 120 and w is 80 degree. 100 plus 120 is 220. 220 plus 80 is 300. 300 plus 60 is 360 degree. X plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360. So we have solved two parts of this question number 7. Hope you have understood this question. If not, please go through it once more, and you can also question me in my personal WhatsApp number if you have any doubt. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.